Hey everyone, let us check out the Juice Beauty Stem's Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Solutions Kit. This vegan and cruelty-free regimen is designed to hydrate skin and improve fine lines. It includes a booster serum, a moisturizer, and an eye treatment for younger-looking skin. The proprietary Super Juice complex blends fruit stem cells and vitamin C for powerful results. Clinical studies show increased hydration alongside a visible reduction in wrinkles and improved radiance. You get all these plant-based benefits without parabens or artificial fragrances. Try this complete treatment to transform your daily skincare routine today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.